It's Idiom Monday, and we're picking the idiom for Monday, July 15th. Kill two birds with one stone.
Welcome to today's idiom of the day. Today we're going to learn about the idiom killing two birds with one stone. What does that mean exactly, though? To kill two birds with one stone means to achieve two things with one single action. For example, today I came to work by walking. By doing this, not only do I get fresh air and exercise, but I get to work. So I killed two birds with one stone.
Like, follow, and subscribe to RPI College for more idiom videos.